Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Up Blog. Today we are going to discuss Python class. So let's first see what is class in Python. Class is a user-defined data type that contains both data itself and methods that may be used to manipulate it. So class is just like a template to create objects. They provide characteristics and operation. Now I will tell you what is a class. So class is just like a template, and this is a template to define any object. And a class has two things. First is characteristics and second operations. Characteristics means properties, which means variables which is defined inside the class, and operations means what are the methods inside the class. They are called the operations. So when you want to declare a class in Python, so first use the keyword class, and the class name should be start in caps. So class person is a class. Now def underscore init underscore, this is a constructor. This is used to instantiate an object. To create an object, a constructor is needed. And the first keyword is self. This is by default, it should be the self, and this belongs to the class, and these are the parameters. And we are assigning the name, that means self dot name equal to name and self dot age is equal to age. Now this is any function, greet function, and here we are printing my name is self dot name, that is whatever the in the name is passed, so it will be printed here. Now here we are creating the instance of the person class. Instance means we are creating an object. So how we will create person one, this is any variable or you can say object name, this is a class name, and these are the parameters. So the first parameter Ayan will go to the name and 25 will go to age. Now here we are calling the method. So when we want to call the method of the class, so we need to use the object name dot function name. So person one is the object name. First we need to create the object. When object is created, then through the object we can call the function. So here it will print the name, whatever is printed. So that means Ayan was passed for this person object. In the name it is Ayan. So hello, my name is Ayan will be printed. Let's try to run this program and see what is the output. So here you can see hello, my name is Ayan is printed. This is the second program. So let's see what this program is doing. Let me paste it to the Visual Studio Code. So here we have declared a person class, and we have declared a variable count equal to 0. So this is a class variable. Class variable, that means the variable which is outside any function or methods, they are called the class variables. Class variable is accessible throughout the class. It can be accessible inside any function or methods. So this is a class variable. Now this is a constructor. We have given two parameters, name and age, and we are assigning self.name equal to name and self.age is equal to age. Now person.count, we are increasing the count to 1. So here inside the constructor we are calling the count, which is the class variable, and we are increasing its value through 1. So when we want to access the class variables or instance variables, it should be accessible through the class name dot variable name or class name dot function name, like this. Now here we are creating two objects. First person one having name Ayan and age 25, and second person two having name Bobby and age 30. Now we are printing person dot count. This person is a class, so class dot count. So that means we are calling the class name dot variable name. So that is the class variable we are calling. Now since we have instantiated two times, first this time, second this time. So that means this expression should have been executed two times. So that means count value should be 2 now. Let's try to print this code. So here you can see count value is 2, which is printed here. Now let's try to run this program. I will tell you what this program is going to do. Here we have class person. This is a constructor having two parameters, name and age. And here we are initializing person1. This is a person1 object having name Ayan, age 25. Now person2 object name Bobby and 30. We are printing person1 dot name. That means person1 dot name equal to Ayan. So Ayan will be printed here. And then we are printing person2 dot age. Person2 dot age is 30. So person2 dot age. That means 30 will be printed here. So here you can see the first print statement is printing person1 dot name. So in case of person1, name is Ayan. So Ayan will be printed in first print statement. In second print statement, person2 dot age. That means the second object and age. That means person2's age is 30. So that means 30 will be printed here. Now let's try to run this program and see what is the output. Here you can see the way we have discussed, the name will be Ayan and age will be 30 will be printed. So same way the output has been printed here. So I hope you are able to get the concepts of the class. And you have any query or doubt, you can post in my YouTube channel, Tech Up Blog. So I will go through your queries and will try to reply your queries. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe my Tech Up Blog channel so that it will give me motivation to create more such videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.